Using Airtable with Make.com allows you to automate workflows, integrate with other apps, and streamline tasks between Airtable and external platforms. Here's how to use Airtable with Make.com. Create a Make.com account. Sign up for a Make.com account at Make.com. Once logged in, create a new scenario. Set up Airtable integration. In your scenario, click Add and choose Airtable from the available apps. You will need to connect your Airtable account by entering your API key and selecting the base and table you want to automate. Create a scenario. Build your workflow by adding Airtable as a trigger or action. For example, you could trigger an action when a new row is added to a table, which will then create a task in a project management app like Asana. Add other apps. You can integrate Airtable with other platforms by adding modules to your scenario and defining actions between apps. Run and automate. After configuring your workflow, run the scenario to test it. You can set it to run automatically at regular intervals or when certain triggers occur.